Hello! This is a photo shoot vlog. Oh my god! So this is the same place that we shot last year. I don't remember what the costume was. Amanda, what was the costume for we did last year here?
We did last year here, we did Red Sonia.
Red Sonia. Oh yeah, that's true. We're back, but this time everything is wet. Last time we shot like around there.
It changes every year.
Yeah, it changes every year apparently. So there's that. It's windy as hell, but I think this light is gonna be good. So we're just gonna do like an 80s inspire, like 80s beach day. There's no sun, like no light. Let's see if we make it work. We can edit it well. So, how do you feel?
I feel great.
You look great.
Thank you. I'm in my tiny chair.
That is, I bought that at Dollarama. That didn't survive like 5 seconds.
As soon as I...
This is better, but that sucks.
Like when you...
That looks stupid. So I also got this water gun, this little thing. So yeah,
80s music.
we're gonna play 80s music, and yeah, we're gonna shoot now. Yeah. We haven't done a photo shoot in a long time.
It's been months. It's been a long time for us.
Yeah.
Also, I'm not gonna last long. I don't think, because the wind is blowing directly into my contacts.
Oh. If you want to take them off, just we're gonna feel better.
Now we'll do some with them in at least. But we might be timed though.
Go take it off.
No, let's take some.
Break to do photocard of the day. I just got this photocard holder, so I'm very excited. But photocard of the day is Angel Hunter Key. Are you cold?
I feel good. I'm not cold. I'm alive! No, the photos look really good.
I know, as always.
Guys, we might have a new favorite.
As always, we say the same thing every time. But yeah. Also, I just got these clips from Ichigo Mart. I hope I'm saying it right.
Yeah, I think it's Ichigo.
Yeah, I think it's Ichigo too.
Go.
I'm gonna link them below because it's my favorite.
We love Ichigo Mart.
We love Ichigo Mart.
You guys make all the cute things.
I just wanna be part of your set.
Not sponsored, but would be sponsored.
We love. Let's keep going.
There's certain people to get the privilege. You're one of them.
Actually, this should be a video.
That's my shoulder. That's my.
The cold? Sorry.
It's very cold.
Sorry.
You're shooting my chest.
Sorry.
Are you shooting me or my hair?
Why is it so like pointy?
Yeah.
We shot in worse conditions. Yep. You're strong. You're the strongest person I know. You're a queen. You're the best model ever. I feel so bad. Something.
Yeah, it's gonna drip in my.
You're doing great. You are the best ever.
Trying to not get makeup in my eyes.
Are you okay?
Feeling cold, but I'm doing okay.
Okay.
Surprisingly, contacts, I'm fine. My hair got wet. It was cold when it happened. Fine. The rain was
looks
coming.
very cute.
It
was
moved all
raining.
the way over there.
It moved to the other side now.
This is like, the world is like, you're good. Just keep going. Don't give up yet. So we're good. So I think we've gotten some really, like, Jen, these might, I know we say this every time, but this might be the best photo shoot we've ever done. Although Miss Fortune is still one of my all-time favorites.
That was insane.
That one was crazy because it doesn't look real, but I feel like once we look at these photos too, they're not gonna look real.
No, because look at this place.
Like this looks like we made it up, but we just want to prove that we are on location. We didn't this isn't digital.
Also, I'm not good at editing it digital, so I mean,
so
not
anything
like
you see that
anything
Jen
fake.
makes is usually like
There.
we shot it like mostly it's raw
Yes.
image.
Yes.
And then a little bit of
we
touch.
tried to get as much.
But
like,
mostly what you do is you play with the settings and the light and stuff in your photos.
yes, like
People don't realize that Jen doesn't like retouch heavily.
no, I don't like editing much. Just like colors.
Get it right when you shoot it, you know?
Just like I just tried to get everything the way I want it now, so I don't have to do much work later because I don't like doing that.
Yeah.
And I also try to get as many props as possible, so because I don't do like fantasy editing, like I don't put things.
You don't add things.
I don't add things to the photos.
So it's all real, like
Yes, so we get
you
props.
saw before, but this is real. This exists. It's touchable. You can.
Also because I'm not good. It's not because I hate it. It's because I'm just not good.
Because then it's easier as a model, and like as a performer, it's always easier when you have.
It's like when you see old movies and they have like practical things.
And
it's
they
like,
can imagine that it's real.
yeah, it's like you have it and it's easier to work with it. That's why I like to have like backdrops and like a lot of props. And even if the backdrop looks fake, like that's the point. I don't want it to look real.
The bug.
Oh my god.
It's there. Wait. It's gone. It's gone. You got it. You got it. The bugs are coming out. That's a sign that we're almost done.
We're almost done, and then we're gonna go because no bugs here. Oh my god, the wind is insane. I feel so bad. We're gonna finish now. Great. Like more with the drink and the gun because they look really cool. Like just
This
one,
one?
like just like one to the front and the other one. Yes. Oh, I like that. So like that, looking down. Yes. See, I'm like that video that I sent you. Don't move. You're gonna run, and I'm gonna fall on you.
Don't move. Put your hand down. No, not there. Yeah, there. Hold it.
Yeah, there. That's good. Oh, yeah. Still like that. Yes. This side. Yes. Like this. Yeah. Yeah, do the one
From in the tube.
we can also do one that you're like, well, I don't know, like,
Around my hips.
and then you just do like this. so we're done. It's getting dark. It's like probably like 9 p.m. now.
It's got to be close to 9 because that's when the sun sets.
Yeah, it's like getting dark really late now. So that's good for photos.
Yeah.
So what were you saying that all of our shoots?
Oh, they all remind me of Barbie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They all give Barbie, but that's who I am.
It is who you are. It's true. You're the Barbie.
I'm an 80s Barbie.
Yeah.
Oh my god, my hair.
Oh.
I'm a 2000s and 80s Barbie. I hope you can hear. Oh, now it's raining. I can feel it now.
Perfect. We wrapped just in time.
I hope you like the photos. I hope we do more photo shoots because we haven't done any. We're both very uninspired right now.
We're gonna do more.
But after today, maybe.
I feel like maybe this is the inspiration we needed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm very excited. The phone pictures, the digicam, the Polaroids, everything looks amazing. So I'm very excited about that.
And now we relax.
Well, I'm very excited. You already saw the photos. I always forget that at the end, you already saw the photos.
Well, you already saw them, so you know.
Well, I haven't seen them when I'm filming this.
Yeah.
So
I haven't seen them yet. I've only seen them in the camera.
yes. So yeah.
I'm excited to take my contacts out.
Yes, I'm excited to just change
Chill.
and
Relax.
chill and drink some PJs. Yeah. What is that? Oh my god! I had a bug. Another bug. Bye.
Bye. The bug said it's done. It's over.
I'm so scared.